Let's talk about the KF Concept Nano-X series filter and see if it's any good. So this is the 95mm KF Concept Nano-X, and I've had this for a couple months, shot a few races with it on the 180-600, and I also have had an 82mm version for a couple of years now, and it did not come in as fancy of packaging, but I used the 82mm on the 105 macro for auto racing, which actually works really good, as you saw, and no complaints with that. But one thing I do want to mention is these things can get pretty warm, and if you put on your lens, make sure that you have a filter wrench, because whenever they're on there, they get pretty tight out there in the heat and the sun. But it has a really nice fit to it. Honestly, can't even tell it's on there from the side edge. It blends in with the lens pretty well, and it's pretty easy to reach. But one thing that sometimes you forget is you go, oh, I'll put my my cover back on, my lens hood. Well, don't do that, because you won't be able to adjust your filter as you need to between photo and video. And the physical build of the filter is really nice. It honestly just doesn't have any wiggle to it. It's nice and smooth. You probably can't even hear it too well on the microphone. And it is relatively dust and moisture resistant, so if you get dust or little drops of water on there, it kind of comes right off. And there's really not much else to say besides it doesn't get any of that weird X pattern in the photo or video whenever you take it. So it does what it says it does, and it does it well. And it's pretty affordable. Highly suggest you use the links in the description below so you get the exact model and the size you need, because there's several different types of KF Concept filters they put out, and this is the MCR Nano-X series, variable ND 2-32. So helps out the channel, and I really appreciate it. Until next time, happy shooting.